We're combining beans. We're all done with corn. So now, as y'all know, I'm the auger wagon driver. Let's get to work.
Probably some of you are wondering, why are we unhooking from the litter spreader? You said you were going to spread litter. Well, sometimes things don't work out the way we plan. This tractor has been down for quite some time. It needed a new alternator, and we were busy shelling corn, and then we went directly from corn to soybeans. And yesterday we finished all of our full season beans. Full season beans are beans that are planted into corn stubble. We grow full season beans and we grow double crop soybeans, wheat field beans. Typically we don't spread our own line. We just don't have time because we're normally busy with harvest, but harvest was a little short this year for corn, to say the least, and so we got done early. It hasn't rained since we started corn harvest, and so we're going to spread a little lime today. My brother is, while I do more traco work, and the chicken litter is going to be put to the side for a few weeks. Spreading a little line today.
Real funny if Mike can stick this in a video. Bloopers. Right? Nope. 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 Stick it in the video, Mike. Well, I don't know if you can see it, but we're dumping.
I know you can see how dirty these windows are. Getting her done. Monday and Tuesday we should be starting wheat. We have turbo tilled a little bit ahead of time. But hopefully I can get some pretty cool wheat footage. Beans are just kind of slow. That's why I haven't filmed much. And I'm not very motivated. You mean, we don't have a huge amount of subscribers, so make sure you subscribe, like the video. Well, it looks like the beans are getting tough. If you're wondering what that means, whenever it gets dark, the moisture sets on the stems and just the entire bean plant, and that makes it tough, so it doesn't feed as good into the head. And what I've been seeing is he's been stopping, lifting the head up, because it's not feeding. Unloading. I normally just go up right in the front hopper, and then whenever it starts to pile up, right like there, I don't know, there, now you can see it. Then I pull up into the back hopper, and by the time it would be full, I'd probably already be empty. But if not, at least in the daytime, I've got this camera to look at, so I can turn it off before it overfills. Well, shut the slide gate. The slide gate is what controls the auger. It's you open it and close it for the amount of grain, and the RPM, which is this, or 1900, that is what you have for the auger speed. Well, that's going to be a wrap for today. We are done for the week. Exciting. Backing in the last truck of the night. We are putting these beans in our grain bin because we have more storage than normal years because we had less of a corn crop on account of a drought. So anyways, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you on the next one.